Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you all this like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on color ID, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to call button here, long tap, just click it this sign. Like you see this color for us, that's mean call button long tap enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.